Hello and welcome to our review of Arize AI. Imagine having X-ray vision into your AI models, seeing exactly why they make decisions, spotting problems before they happen, and fixing them in minutes instead of weeks. That's what Arize AI brings to the table, and we're excited to show you how it works. Have you ever wondered what your AI models are actually doing in production? Arize AI answers this question with powerful monitoring tools that watch your models 24/7, catching any strange behavior and alerting you instantly. But here's where it gets really interesting. What if you could trace exactly why your model made a specific decision? Arize AI does just that, showing you the complete journey from data input to final output. Think about this. How do you know if your AI is actually getting better or worse over time? Arize AI provides detailed performance tracking that shows you trends, patterns, and potential issues before they become problems. You'll see beautiful dashboards that make complex data easy to understand, and you can set up custom alerts that notify you when something needs attention. One of the coolest features we've seen is their LLM evaluation toolkit. Want to know how well your chatbot is really performing? Arize AI uses other language models to judge your model's responses, giving you detailed feedback on quality, accuracy, and potential biases. They even have special tools for RAG systems. You know, those setups where AI uses your company's documents to answer questions. Companies like Uber and Flipkart are already using Arize AI, and they're reporting massive improvements in how quickly they can spot and fix AI issues. Instead of spending days digging through logs and data, their teams can identify problems in minutes and get solutions rolling right away. What makes Arize AI different from other monitoring tools? First, it's built specifically for AI teams. It understands the unique challenges of managing machine learning models in production. Second, it's incredibly user-friendly while still being powerful enough for complex enterprise needs. And third, it integrates seamlessly with existing workflows, so you don't have to change how your team works. Here's a practical example. Imagine you're running a recommendation system for an e-commerce site. Arize AI would monitor the system's performance, alert you if recommendation quality drops, help you understand which types of products are being recommended incorrectly, and even suggest ways to improve the model's accuracy. We're particularly impressed by how Arize AI handles data quality monitoring. It automatically checks for data drift, missing values, and unexpected patterns. Things that can silently degrade your model's performance without you noticing. And it does all this in real time, so you're always working with current information. This AI review has covered the highlights, but there's so much more to explore about Arize AI. To learn more about this powerful AI observability platform and see detailed feature breakdowns, visit jimcarter.me and search for Arize AI. Thanks for watching.